Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by checking saved credentials on your devices. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings Passwords. On Mac, use Keychain Access. Once done, search for Apple ID, Apple, Com, or App Store entries to reveal a stored password. If iCloud Keychain is enabled, you may find the password synced across devices. Make sure to unlock with your device passcode or admin password. If you find the correct entry, copy it securely and test sign-in to confirm you recovered the Apple Store password. If no saved password appears, you reset it using Apple's recovery flow. Open iForget. Apple, Com, or on iPhone, go to Settings, your name, password, and security, and tap Change Password. You will authenticate with a trusted phone number, trusted device, or recovery email. This proves your identity. Once verified, create a new strong password and update it across devices. Make sure to choose a unique password and enable two-factor authentication for stronger protection. Then sign back into App Store to confirm access. Finally, update iCloud Keychain and any password manager with your new Apple Store password so you won't lose it again. If two-factor authentication blocks you, start account recovery. That process can take 24 to 72 hours depending on verification and requires patience. If recovery stalls or you see security alerts, contact Apple support directly and have your device serial number and proof of purchase ready. One tip: if sign-in still fails, restart devices and try signing in again with the new password to clear cached credentials.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.